What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about whether or not reviews are important when it comes to low content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know exactly how I got my results with my low content book publishing business, then check out that link in the description below to go to Printing Profits. This will teach you step by step what I did to get my results. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com. So, reviews, are they important when it comes to low content books? Well, the short answer on that is no, they're not. They're really not. So I've pulled up this book as an example. This book is over a year old. As you can see, it was made or published in February the 17th, 2018, and there's no reviews. If there was reviews, it would pop up like that. So this is over a year old. It's ranked at 81,000th place within the whole bookstore, still making sales without those reviews. Now, if we go over to a BSR calculator, just here, plug that in there, 81,308 book. So they're averaging 58 sales per month and 4 sales per day. Just from this one book, which has no reviews. Now let's go back here for a second. So they're selling it for $5.99. That's roughly, depending on the pages, around $1.30. So $1.30 times 58 equals $75 from this book, which has no reviews. Now, if you're coming from regular publishing, where you publish Kindle books and actual books, that business model does help. You do need reviews for your book. But with low content books, you can publish an unlimited amount of books. So you can just publish books and not have to worry about reviews. Now, I'm getting a lot of people asking me about reviews. Oh, do I need reviews? How do I market my book? Well, all my sales, which I'll show you in a second, come from just organic search results within Amazon, and I don't even market my books. And only a handful of my books actually have reviews. Now, my best-selling book, which I sell anywhere from 1 to 4 copies a day, has no reviews at all. So it's just my opinion that reviews don't really matter as much when it comes to low content books. Now, over time, as you build your library of low content books, you're naturally just going to get reviews anyway. So if people purchase your low content books, they like them, they want to leave reviews. So don't worry about that, because it's just naturally going to happen. But in the beginning, you're not going to have any reviews at all. And this doesn't bother people. People, remember that saying, don't judge a book by its cover. Well, people do. If your book looks good, visually appealing, people are going to buy it. If it looks crappy and cheap, people are not going to buy it, because they judge a book by its cover. So just remember that. Now, these are my sales from last month. Had some pretty good results. Had a couple of good books really take off. A couple of Mother's Day ones. But pretty much all these sales came from books with no reviews. No reviews, okay? So it doesn't really matter at all about getting reviews or marketing your books. Now, if you want to get into marketing, then learn how to run Amazon ads. Then what you can do, you can build up your library, start getting sales, and then run ads to your best-selling books. This is what I plan on doing over the next couple of months. just to see if I can get my income even higher, get even better results. Obviously, I will document it on this channel, but just focus on creating good quality books, what people are searching for. Because if you do that, create books around what people are searching for, people are naturally going to find your books and purchase them. And if you're creating books, just creating books around nothing what people are searching for, then no one's going to find them and buy them. So remember that. Now, I hope you enjoy the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. All that being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.